As production complexity increases, manufacturers are rapidly shifting toward intelligent, automated inspection systems. Yet, traditional solutions struggle to keep up. ReliVision 5.0 brings on-prem GenAI to the factory floor, enabling NPI to start immediately even when no real defect data exists. Inspection models can be developed, validated and deployed before the first defective part is ever seen. Start with a few real defect images, transfer their characteristics onto OK samples and generate countless realistic variations. In this example, we'll generate defects on both hazelnut and leather surfaces. Begin by importing OK images for GenAI data generation. Annotate the area where you want to add defects. If desired, you can also annotate the non-defective areas. Once annotation is complete, navigate to the GenAI page. ReliVision 5.0 provides a continuously evolving defect library, allowing users to add their own defects and generate additional data. Defects can be reviewed by simply opening the source data. Select the hazelnut defect and start the data generation process. Select the OK dataset, assign a name to the new dataset and specify how many defective images you want to generate. When the process is complete, review the newly generated images in the gallery. Then, generate the same defect type on a different surface, which is leather in this case. Once completed, review the generated images. These images can be used for retraining, enabling zero or few shot learning, and significantly shortening time to value. Relimetrics, AI you own. Secure, scalable, accelerating AI training with GenAI.